Welcome to the chapter on distance sensors. Before we explore how distance sensors work in robots, let's think about how we can tell distance. Ever wondered why we have two eyes? Apart from the fact that it would be weird if we had just one eye in the middle of our head, there is a reason. With two eyes, we take two pictures with those eyes of what's going on around us. And those pictures are sent to our brain. Our eyes are right in front of our face and very close to each other. There are small differences in the images that the two eyes can see. And what our brain does, our controller, it looks at those differences and it works out how far away things are. What's the depth of the objects we're looking at? And our brains are so advanced that it does that without us even thinking about it. Pretty cool, huh? Measuring distance by having two cameras on our robots and getting the controller to calculate tiny differences in each object is very difficult. So when creating a sensor for our robots, something else needed to be used. Distance sensors use the idea that as things move forward and bounce back, it takes time for this to occur. And if we can measure that time that the object is moving and coming back, we can get a good idea of how far away that object is that it might have bounced back off. Let's use this orange as an example. So if this orange travels from one side of the screen to the other, 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 seconds to travel from one side and back to where it came from. But if I put my hand right here and we just travel half that distance, let's see what happens with the time that it travels. 1, 2. So we've halved the distance the orange has traveled, but we've also halved the time that the orange has traveled as well. And using that time measurement, we can calculate the distance objects are from our robots. Let's give activity 1 a go.